Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video I will discuss in detail about the basics of AutoCAD 2022, and I will upload a series of videos which consist of different parts in which I will completely explain the AutoCAD 2022. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos, and I will upload the different parts of the video, which include the learning of complete AutoCAD course. So I will start from the scratch till the preparation of multi-story buildings. So this will consist of different parts of the videos. So in this video we will discuss about the basics of AutoCAD. So let's start. How to open the AutoCAD file. So this is the AutoCAD file which is on the desktop. So you can double click to open the file, or you can also open the AutoCAD file from here by searching the AutoCAD and then going to apps. So you can double click on this file which is the AutoCAD. So the AutoCAD file will be open when you double click on this icon, or you can also open from this menu. This is the AutoCAD, you can double click to open. So once you open your file for the first time, so this screen will appear. So there are different portions. Here this is the start. So here this is the recent work that I have been done in the AutoCAD. So if you have done anything in your AutoCAD previously, that will be appeared here. And if you have not done any previous work in the AutoCAD, so this will be empty, this place. So this is the recent, so these are the recent work. So this is the name of the software, and this is the version 2022. So from here you can open a file which is already existing in your system, and through here you can open the files and can take your file from the desired location. The next one is the new, and if you want to open a new file, so you can click here, so a new file will be open. As you can see, this is a new file with the name as drawing 2 has been added. So from here you can add a new file, and this is the recent, means this is the previous work which we have done in the AutoCAD. So it will appear here. This is the Autodesk documents. So you can access this when you are connected with internet. And this is the learning, so you can also learn from the Autodesk official website by going to this. When you are connected to the internet, this will, on clicking on this learning, so you will be automatically a page will be open of Autodesk official website, which will provide the information about the learning of this AutoCAD. And these are also the links through which you can learn is this is the community forum, this is the online help, what is new, customer support, AutoCAD mobile app, AutoCAD or web app. So you can access all these 2 3 products of AutoCAD. You can easily access from this link. So let's come here to start with the new file. So when I click on the new file, a new file has been added and with the name of as drawing 3. So this is the workspace of the AutoCAD and its dimensions are infinite. In this direction, in this direction, in this direction, and in all directions, the limits of the AutoCAD workspace is infinite. And here, this is the quick access tools bar. This is the quick access toolbar, and you can also customize these quick access tools. From here, you can check in or you can uncheck or check in to add or remove the quick access tool. And this is the title bar of the drawing. So now this is the Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 drawing number 3, and this is the DWG. This is the extension of the AutoCAD file. And this here you can search your desired word or anything from the Autodesk. Here you can sign into your Google your Autodesk account, and here this is the part where you can access the Autodesk App Store, and this is the stay connected. Here you can get the help, and this is the button for the minimization, and this is for the restore down or maximization, and this button, this red with the cross, is used to close your file. You can close your file from here or you can close your file from here. This is the AutoCAD icon. By clicking on the drop down menu, this window will open, and at the last, this is the close button. You can close your file from here by clicking on this. And this is the main menu bar. Here this is the main menu bar, where in the main menu bars, this is the home, this is the insert, this is the annotate, another one is parametric, this is the view, this is the manage, this is the output, this is the add ends, this is the collaborate, this is the express tool, this is the feature apps. From here, these drop down buttons, you can add or remove the different menu bars and toolbars. These are which shows the different tools. This is called the toolbars. Here different tools will be appear if you click on the any menu. So this is the insert menu. So in the insert menu, these are the different tools. So in the home menu, these are the different tools. In the home menu, in the annotate menu, these are the different tools. So for every menu, there are different types of tools in this toolbars. So this is the toolbars. This is for the view, this is for the manage. These are the tools which is available in the manage menu. In the output menu, these are the different tools. In the add-ins, these are the tools. And in the collaborate, these are the different tools. In the express tools, these are the different tools. And there are sub other tools inside the some tools to be used as per your requirements. And this is the picture, the apps. Here this is the tools. So this is called the toolbars, and this is the one window where this is the start. This name is start. From here you can open your desired file, or you can open the new file, or you can open your previous work you have done here. This is the uh, buttons through which you can see your previous work in this format or in this large size thumbnails. And this is the drawings, uh, so you can close the drawing from here and you can add a drawing from here. So another drawing 4 has been added. I add one to another. So this is the drawing 4. You can go to this, you can go to this by clicking on the desired drawing. So this shows the different views of the object or anything that you have drawn in the workplace. And here this is the coordinates. In x, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And here this is the view cube. So here from here you can easily rotate your object in different direction, and you can see the different views of your object. So this is the north, this is the south, this is the west, this is the east direction. Here from here you can also rotate your object. And through here you can access these are the quick. From here you can access this tool quickly. So this is the navigation wheel, this is the pen. You can pen your object. This is the zoom extends, this is the rotate, this is the rotate in orbits, and this is the show motion of your objects. So you can add or remove it. So I want to remove, so I have to click on the cross sign. And here in the AutoCAD 2022, this is the command line. Here you can enter any command you want to draw something in the workspace. So this is the command line, and this is the settings to customize, and this is the close to close your command line here. So here this is the model, so you can go to the layout 1, this is the layout 2. You can add the layout or you can delete the layout. It means in the layout that how your object is looking in a page. If you want to print, so how it will look. And these are the other tools, like the from here you can customize these tools. So I will discuss about all these things in the coming videos. The different tools that are available in the home and what are its function and how to apply, how to use, and where it is used. All of these will be discussed in the coming videos, and we will draw a complete multi-story building by using the different commands in the AutoCAD. So thank you for watching this video.